Hello, welcome to our channel where we share scientific innovations. Please don't forget to like the video. Financial analysis of Indonesian and Turkish tourism, listed firms in COVID-19 outbreak. Abstract: COVID-19 outbreak is global disease that impact most of industries in the world. Tourism is one of industries shocked by COVID-19. Curfew policy and social distance caused most of tourism sector, such as tourism, hotel, and restaurant, were closed. The purpose of this study is to analyze financial statement of tourism industries in Indonesia and Turkey using financial ratio analysis. We employ financial analysis of credit, risk analysis, and profitability analysis during lockdown. We employ 27 financial statements of tourism firms in both countries in 2020. Based on the result, we found that profitability ratio that have significant differences in both countries, such as ROA, ROE, and net margin. Although other measurements such as current asset ratio, quick ratio, asset turnover, debt-to-equity ratio, and short-term debt-to-equity ratio have no significance. The result informs that tourism of listed firms in Indonesia and Turkey have significantly difference in profitability ratio. However, capability of managing liquidity, utilizing asset, and managing capital structure and solvency has no significant difference. The result implies that tourism industries, both in Indonesia and Turkey, have similar issues in liquidity, utilizing asset, and solvency because they have to face diminishing income during COVID-19. Hence, it will affect on the liquidity. For detailed information, you can access the magazine and articles from the link I left in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe.